Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Can We Fix It? And we don't have any household projects today, believe it or not. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix some zipper pulls on my camera bag. The zippers have broken off. I can't open it very well anymore. I just went on a trip not too long ago, a hiking trip with the family. Had difficulty getting my camera out of the bag when I needed it. Very frustrating moment for me. So we're going to fix that today with just some basic pieces and parts. To get my camera bag back in shape and not have to buy a new one. Let's take a look. Okay guys, as you can see, the zippers are broken on my camera bag. It's really difficult to open them. Just the zipper poles, I should say, are the part that's broken. The zipper actually looks pretty good. As you can see, it's still intact right through here, all the way around. So, you know, I hate to get rid of the bag. I like it. It's nice and lightweight. It's good for my micro 4/3 gear. And this is what we're going to use to fix it. We're going to use some duct tape, black duct tape, so we match the color of the bag, and a couple of paper clips. And we're going to make some zipper pulls out of those paper clips. Okay guys, first we're going to take these paper clips and we're going to get them right into the zipper pull. And I'm going to spin them around like so, so they won't come off as easy. I'm going to do that with both of these paper clips. Actually a pretty simple solution, and it'll save me another 50 bucks from buying a new bag. So now I've got both zipper pulls on. Now I'm going to take my duct tape and tear off a few pieces. My duct tape, I cut the strips in half. I just tore them in half actually, and I'm going to just wrap these just to provide a little grip and to keep these paper clips from falling off if I'm hiking through the woods. Just wrap this right through here. Again, I'm not going for anything real pretty, just function. That one looks good. Let's go ahead and wrap the other one. I appreciate little fixes like this. Get me back on the road quicker. And, you know, I'm cheap and I hate spending money. 2 kids in college will do that to you. Okay. I think this one's going to look pretty good. I'm going to try to get a little bit higher so it doesn't move as much. Okay. So there's what they look like. Not pretty, but again, we'll get the job done. And I can open my camera bag much easier. What do you think, guys? You think that's going to hold up? Leave a comment and let me know. If it doesn't hold up, I'll make another video and tell you what I'm going to do to fix it. There you have it, guys. Another quick, easy fix. Couple paper clips, some duct tape, get those zipper pulls working again, save myself $50 and get me back out in the woods hiking again. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think about it. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Thanks for watching.